They're back in some sort of ditch. Oh, crap. Nope. What's wrong? Put me while I move up? Yeah, I'll keep him down. He's moving to the left. Left side. Left side of those bushes.
All ahead. What's wrong with you, dude? I got no catching. Gotta head over here on the hillside. Watch out. We're on the ridge.
Where is Kurt?
How far is he? Got him. Huh? I didn't mean to hit him in the face. The other one. The other one. Okay.
I wouldn't stand right there, Anthony.
Yeah, get out of there.
Dude, I dare him to shoot that man.
He looks like a fucking weird elf.
Really, Hobbit?
Yeah.
I like the fuzz on his goggles because it looks like an eyebrow.
Yeah,
He's so questioning his ears right now.
Self-conscious.
Don't change anything. You need to look at your pretty.
I showed you a torch of gun. I had so many clear shots.
Here.
I think that was your head.
No, you tripped over a rock.
Did I?
Yeah. Oh well, maybe you are hit. Okay, 2.
Alright, let's run up on him. Be careful. He's over here. There he is. Anthony, get over here. Move in.
Watch your back.
Yep.
Yep, I know it. Yep. And then Roach don't take their hit.
Are you hit, Zach? Yeah. Are you? Which Zach? Another Zach still in. Zach still in. Watch overhead. Oh, bugger. Hit.
Game over. Marco and Jordan's team win.
If you do not reply with our demands, we will shoot him in the head. And we get 72 birds. The game now starts.
Move.
What?
You keep the gun on him.
This is bullcrap.
Well, we need somebody to guard him so he doesn't
You
go
need to guard both of
spasm
them.
out. Yeah, you get if they move, you get to shoot them.
I've been spotted.
I was gonna sneak up to him and ask him what his plans were.
I'm ready for my jihad.
A true jihad's above us, looking down upon us. Back.
Ed!
I want to get a hit.
Hit. How's it feel to be a terrorist or a hostage?
Nope.
Kind of scary.
It is kind of scary. Not gonna lie. We're being watched. Like his nuts are showing and everything.
Yeah.
It's creepy.
No.
Get down. Get down.
Okay. Hey! Keep resisting! I'm hit.
Did you guys get that?
I think we need to
Did he get hit?
demonstrate how serious we are by killing one of these hostages.
Where's my God? Where's the God I pray to?
Causing us problems.
Ah! Did he get hit? No.
No,
Anthony!
but I think I should shoot him. No.
Hey, look at terrorists is down. Go Marines!
Roach, come on!
Run! Run, Anthony!
Grab him.
Get up.
Get him. Bring him here.
Get up. Get back here. Here. Come on.
These terrorists are horrible. Horrible people. Anthony, I'm crying.
Come here. You're my new meat shield.
I don't
Congratulations.
want to be a
You guys, watch him.
They have one as a meat shield, and I'm wounded. We're both wounded. We need medical attention. Marines, I have eyes on Marines.
5 minutes if you don't get him.
In 5 minutes. Wait, shouldn't our objective be to...
Anthony! Marines! Sniper!
Yeah, you get...
We're assassinating one of the hostages.
Looks like a good open field.
Keep your hands going. I can't see shit.
We got a few Marines moving up on our left side. Slightly terrifying. We got some fire going down range. My team buddy, Lieutenant Gadioti's making some trouble over there. It's like I'm with Special Forces right now, being rescued, taken back to base. Looks like a few casualties on the terrorists and a few casualties on the Marines, but overall, looks like my lieutenant didn't make it out. My lieutenant's dead. It's a sad loss.